Hi everyone, nice to see you again, and thank you for watching my videos. And those of you that have subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you. And those of you that haven't subscribed to my channel, please can you like and subscribe to my channel? Show this girl some love. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel. This will mean the world to me. And I hope all these videos I've been doing and you guys watching it, and I hope you've been trying it and see the different health benefit, because I'm not just doing these videos for video's sake. I'm just trying to share with people the secret that they don't know. Okay, most people do and most people don't. So I'm just trying to share my secret or share my knowledge with people. Okay, I'm not just doing this video for video's sake. Please just try and do what I'm saying, and you can tell the difference in your health and in your body. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about beans and the different health benefits of beans. Okay, you can eat beans in different ways. You can have beans on toast. You can have beans, rice and beans. You can have beans in the Nigerian way we call it akara and moi moi. Okay, so you can have beans in different ways. Okay, you can have, I don't know, you can have it any way you want to eat it, any way you feel comfy about. Okay, so there are different ways you can eat beans, and the different benefit that it can help with you. It's gonna really help with your lifestyle. It's gonna really help with you with your aging. So many different benefits of beans. I just want to share that with you guys today. Okay, do you suffer from heart problem, like a heart condition? Do you suffer from, should I say, cancer, or you have someone suffering from cancer, or your family member has got cancer, or your friends have got cancer? Beans can really help reduce the risk of cancer. Okay, and also beans can also help with your blood glucose. Okay, and even prevent diabetes. Okay, do you have diabetes? Beans can help this. Okay, it can help you. It can prevent you from all this sicknesses or illness that is not good. Okay, and beans can even help you with it can prevent you from having a fatty liver. Okay, beans prevent you from having a fatty liver. It gives you protein, so I can't really count them. Okay, so there are many health benefits of beans, guys. Read about it. Try and start eating beans, because I want you guys to start eating beans. This is my videos today. It's about encouraging you guys. If you don't like eating beans, maybe you should try. Eat them in different ways. Okay, you will love it, and you will enjoy the different amazing benefits of eating them. Okay, I can't tell you all of the benefits of beans right now, but I'm gonna put them down on the descriptions below, so be sure to read the descriptions below, and that will help you. Okay, I'm saying this with life experience, because I've got a family member that I've got high blood and diabetes. So she's been eating beans a lot, and this really helps, and the result has been different. Like, the result right now, our health right now is amazing. So since then, in my family, we developed this habit of eating beans. In whichever way we can, we eat beans, because it's good. Who doesn't want to live long? Who doesn't want to live healthy? Who doesn't want to stay on earth with their loved ones? See, money is good, yeah, but there are some certain things that money cannot buy. So prevention is better than cure. Don't wait until it's too late. So start eating beans. Okay? Talking about beans. This is my beans. You see that? Okay. This is my beans. This is moi moi. In Nigeria they call it moi moi. And this one up here is akara. Yep. They're all beans, so you can eat your beans in different ways. Yep. So this is moi moi and egg in it, and I've got a bit of meat in the moi moi, and I've got eggs in it, and this is akara. So try and eat beans because it's good for you. Thank you guys for watching my channels, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for some more videos. Show me some love. All right, thank you. Bye.